Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting news about the extended free trial for AMC Plus and what it means for you in 2025. Let's dive into the details step by step. Step 1. Understanding AMC Plus and its offerings. AMC Plus is a premium streaming service that provides access to a variety of high-quality shows, movies, and original content. It features popular series like The Walking Dead, Mad Men, and exclusive films that you won't find on other platforms. The free trial allows new users to experience all of this without any cost for a limited time. Step 2. The extended free trial announcement. Recently, AMC Networks announced the extension of the free trial period for AMC Plus. What does this mean for subscribers? If you've been considering signing up, now is the perfect time. The extended trial allows potential subscribers to explore the platform, watch original series, and enjoy premium movies without the pressure of immediate payment. Step 3. How to sign up for the extended free trial. 1. Visit the AMC Plus website. Go to the official AMC Plus website. 2. Click on the Sign Up button. Look for the option to start your free trial. 3. Create an account. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. 4. Select your plan. Choose the plan that suits you best. The extended free trial applies to all available plans. 5. Enter payment information. Although the trial is free, you may need to provide payment details to complete the sign-up process. 6. Start streaming. Once your account is set up, you can begin enjoying countless hours of entertainment immediately. Step 4. Exploring the content available. Once you're signed up, take the time to explore what AMC Plus has to offer. From gripping thrillers to captivating dramas, there's something for everyone. Be sure to check out their original content, as well as the latest movie releases that are part of your subscription. Step 5. Ending your trial. Before your trial period ends, make sure to evaluate whether you want to continue your subscription. You can easily manage your account settings to cancel or upgrade your plan if you enjoy the service. Don't forget to mark the end date of your trial on your calendar to avoid any unexpected charges if you decide not to continue. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.